Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to go over a pool system that has a few things going on. So if you have something like this, you'll know what you're getting into. All right, let me flip. We've got a Jandy cartridge filter right here. Inside that thing, there's 4 cartridges. They work great. It's my second favorite next to a diatomaceous earth filter. And then after that, you got a sand filter, which I'm not crazy about, but a lot of people have them. Okay, we got a Pentair variable speed pump right here. And if you don't know what a variable speed pump is, it allows you to set the time right here and program it through your Wi-Fi to run from anywhere from 700 RPM all the way up to the full 3450 RPM, saving you a ton of money on your electric bill. I've had customers who went from a single speed to a variable speed telling me they were saving about $100 a month on their electric bill. Pretty significant. So, you know, depending on what you pay for it, it could pay for itself in a year or 2 or 3. But still, they're great pumps. And we've got a salt cell chlorine generator. This is Jandy. Feeds back to the system operation panel right there. Right there. All right. We've got your suction side valve, which pulls from the main drain or the skimmer, either one. So if you want to vacuum your pool, you turn this valve, it says off here, turn it to main drain, and now your main drain is off and you're pulling only from your skimmer. Gives you a lot more suction. Turn it back so you got full suction through the whole pool when you're done. And on this side, on the return side, this pool has a fountain, and then you can either turn this however you want. If you want full fountain, but then you're shutting off the chlorine generator, so you're not going to have any chlorine in your pool. You don't want to do that. You could go 3/4 and still get flow. It might not be enough flow, so you have to mess with that and see if that works. Or, like they have it, 1/4 on the fountain, which gives a lot of water to the fountain anyway, so that actually works. And if you're having a pH problem, like if it's always high, it's mostly it could be caused by a water feature such as a fountain, because you're aerating the water. So if you're always gotten like 7.8 or 8.0 pH, turn that off, run your pool for a few weeks, and it'll come down. Put that back. They have also got another water feature. They've got fountains in their pool, so this is on a separate system, and you've got valves for each one of those. Each valve controls some waterfall or water fountain thing going into the pool. And then you got a check valve, which is the thing right here. So what this is, on the inside is a door. When it comes on, it flips open on this side, letting water come through, and then when it turns off, when the pump turns off, this valve shuts. The door shuts down, and water cannot go back through. So there you have it. Pretty basic system with a salt cell generator, a fountain, an auxiliary pump with 3 fountains. Now, oh, here we go. Got 2 more. These guys are on the side of the pool. They shoot water up into the air. So if any of these are going on, you're going to be increasing your pH, just so you know. And this thing, if you didn't see my other videos right here, if you have one of these on your filter, most of the time you're going to see them on that side, right? You know, right there coming out of the pump. What that is to drain your pool. So if you turn on the pump to open this, water will come shooting out. So hook up a hose, run it to wherever you want to run it, and you're going to drain your pool, if that's what you need to do. If you got high cyanuric acid and you need to drain your pool, that's one way to do it. Any questions? Drop them below. There's your Jandy True Clear Salt Cell Generator. This one actually is not working, so it's going to need to be replaced. Just the salt cell. That thing unscrews, and the fins in here are just shot. They're just all eaten up. All right, that's it for this video. You got any questions at all? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks a lot. See you later.